Ever wondered what would happen if you ate eggs every single day? Well, in this video, we're going to take you through the egg experiment, daily egg consumption and its effects on your body. So, let's crack the shell and dive right in. Eggs are a rich source of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Consuming them daily can provide numerous health benefits. One such benefit is improved muscle mass and strength. The protein in eggs helps in repairing and building muscles, making them an excellent choice for those interested in fitness. But what about cholesterol? Many believe that consuming eggs raises cholesterol levels. However, recent studies have shown that the cholesterol found in eggs has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for the majority of people. Not only do eggs provide essential nutrients, but they also contain antioxidants that promote eye health. The antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin found in eggs help protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, two common eye conditions. For those concerned about their waistline, eggs can actually aid in weight loss. The high protein content of eggs helps reduce appetite, leading to fewer calorie intake. They also provide a feeling of fullness, reducing the chances of overeating. Eggs are a natural source of vitamin D, which plays an essential role in bone health. This nutrient helps the body absorb calcium and promotes proper bone development and strength. However, it's important to note that moderation is key. Consuming too many eggs can lead to an imbalance in nutrient intake and potential health risks. It's recommended to follow a balanced diet and consult a healthcare professional for specific dietary needs. So, while eating eggs every day can have numerous benefits, it's important to maintain a balanced approach and consider your individual needs. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating insights into the world of nutrition. Thanks for watching.
In this intriguing video, we delve into the fascinating topic of daily egg consumption and its potential effects on your body. Join us as we conduct the egg experiment to uncover what truly happens when you eat eggs every day. As we explore the long-term impact of incorporating eggs into your daily diet, you'll gain valuable insights into the potential benefits and repercussions for your overall well-being. Throughout this thought-provoking experiment, we'll investigate various aspects such as cholesterol levels, weight management, muscle building, and brain health. Discover whether the widely debated concerns surrounding dietary cholesterol hold any truth or if eggs could be unfairly demonized. Moreover, we will examine scientific studies, expert opinions, and personal experiences to provide an unbiased evaluation of how this dietary choice can impact different individuals. Are there potential risks associated with consuming eggs daily? Or is it a marvelous addition to a balanced diet? Join us on this enlightening journey as we separate fact from fiction and empower you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about your dietary habits. Prepare to have your assumptions challenged and your understanding deepened in the egg experiment, daily egg consumption and its effects on your body. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos on nutrition, health, and lifestyle. Don't miss out on the opportunity to understand the impact of your food choices and how they can shape your well-being. Thank you for watching. Please follow, like, comment, and share this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Till our next video.